Alright, here's Ordinary Man, and it's a great new song with Ozzy Osbourne and Elton John. And it's in the key of E. And by the way, please hit my subscribe button if you like what you're seeing. Any comments are appreciated. Okay? So I'm gonna break this down for you first into three parts. I'm gonna give you the verse, the chorus, and then I'm gonna give you the solo as well. So I'm gonna take it slowly first. Starts out with an E. This is the intro, by the way. And then here you can either hit what looks like an A flat minor or a version of the B chord, okay, which starts with an E flat, and the rest of it is a natural B chord. So it's not really this B, it's this B. Which the full chord looks like this. And then to C sharp minor, and then there's a B passing, then an A, and then F sharp minor to B. So here's what the verse, intro verse sounds like in practice, and I'll play it slowly. Okay, then it goes to the B section, which is C sharp minor to B to A, back to C sharp minor to B to A, and then the chorus starts. It hits a B chord, and right there is the beginning of the chorus proper, okay? And it's B to F sharp minor. Then it goes in E to E minor, A, and then again to the B. This time F sharp minor 7th, then an E, E minor 7th, A, then it does a quick little walk up, G, A, B. And then you're back at the second verse. And then once again the verse. The only thing about this one that is a little bit difficult is that the second chord, if you're used to playing this kind of B, you have to move up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the 6th fret with your third finger on the A string. And this is a valuable thing to know though. That form of B comes in handy. And if you wanted to go a little bit fancier with it, if you're a person that knows the different positions of chords, you could start out with this E, which is a C form of the E chord, for those of you familiar with the cage system. And what it is really, you know how you walk down a C like this? Probably seen that or heard that in folk songs. It's really, that's what's going on here in this E. Same kind of move. It's really a piano thing, but in guitar it looks like. See how I go from an E to an E flat? It really flows along nicely, okay? So we've done the intro, the verse, and the B section, and we've done the chorus. And now I want to put it all together at once and give you a sort of feeling up to speed. That's that kind of. Section. Here it does a little lick if you want to do it. That's a little piano lick he does for those of you that are able to. You're on the A, and it kind of jumps this little lick. Leads up to the C sharp minor. Here's what it sounds like in form. Okay, here's the guitar solo, which is actually kind of clever. It's got some great little changes, slightly different than the rest of the song. Starts with a G-A-B climb, okay, like this. Again, G-A-B. To an F sharp major. G, B, now to a D. Jumps a G, F sharp major, still the solo, E minor 7, now an F sharp minor, E major, E minor 7, and the chorus. F sharp major, D, F sharp minor, G, E minor 7. And that's the song. So that last little section I just gave you was the solo, and then the chorus, the final chorus, and then what we call a vamp, which is the ending of the song, which has a couple slightly different changes. So there it is, Ordinary Man. Really cool song, reminiscent of some of the great songs of the late 60s, early 70s that were coming out of London. I really like this tune. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe if you like what I'm doing. Leave a comment. I'll see you then.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.